Imagine you run a growing company and decide to enter a new market. Most obviously, you'd need a new sales pipeline, pricing, service line, and more. And if you adopted Salesforce before this, we bet you had not envisaged this scaling during the initial Salesforce implementation. Having an impressive plethora of solutions, Salesforce allows one to build and get started with a relevant bundle of products to serve business goals and operational requirements. And whereas some product and features bundles seem obvious, things get more complicated when it's time for diversification, scaling, or changes in sales, service, or marketing approaches. Therefore, it's better to ensure your Salesforce technology strategy and related product bundle will support your company's needs at each stage of its business strategy, no matter if you find standard features enough or will switch to custom development. We are here to drive you through the Salesforce adoption journey and share insights on Salesforce products, features, and technology. We will release product overviews, step-by-step guides, domain-specific cases, and more. Subscribe to have a 360-degree overview of Salesforce and understand how to turn it into your business advantage, not operational burden. Stay tuned.